How to turn on or turn off sync data option on Twitter app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off sync data option on Twitter easy and fast. So first thing, go to Twitter app and now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture right here, and now go down and choose settings and privacy right here. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now go down and click on accessibility, display and languages, and here you will find some options. Choose the last one, it's data users, and now it will take you here. Go down and you will find sync data option right here. You can turn it off or turn it on by clicking on it, and you can also change if you want it daily or 15 minutes, 13, 1 hour, 2 hour or 4 hour. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.